Here is how to resend an unpaid invoice in Wave. If you are already logged into Wave, begin by checking that the correct business is selected before you continue. This matters if you manage more than one business in the same account, since invoices are tied to the business currently in view. Once that is confirmed, look to the left-hand menu and click Sales and Payments. This opens the section where customer billing activity is stored. From there, click Invoices to go to your invoice list. On the Invoices page, find the unpaid invoice that you want to resend. You may see several invoices with different statuses, so take a moment to make sure you are opening the right one. The unpaid status is the key detail to confirm here, especially if there are similar invoices for the same customer. Click the invoice to open its details page. This is where you can review the full invoice, check its current status, and access the sending options connected to that record. On the invoice details page, click the option labeled Send Invoice or Resend Invoice. The wording can vary depending on whether the invoice has been sent before, but either option brings you to the email sending view for that invoice. In the recipient field, confirm that the customer email address is correct. If the address shown is not the one you want to use, update it before sending. This is worth checking carefully so the invoice goes to the intended recipient. Next, review the email subject and the message that will accompany the invoice. If needed, edit either field so the email reads the way you want. Some people leave the default wording in place, while others adjust it to match the situation. The important part is to make sure the message is appropriate before the invoice is sent again. After that, verify the invoice information itself, including the outstanding balance. Review the details shown on the invoice and confirm that the amount due is correct. This helps avoid resending an invoice that still needs changes or one that no longer reflects the current balance. When everything looks right, click Send to resend the unpaid invoice to the customer. Wave will process the action and send the invoice email using the details you just reviewed. Once the invoice has been sent, return to the invoice details page and check the updated sending activity. This is where you can confirm that the resend action was recorded. You should see the activity updated to reflect that the invoice was sent again. Thanks for watching. The unpaid invoice has now been resent in Wave and its sending activity has been updated.